Hey everybody! Welcome back to maths. So more fractions today, but today we are sorting quarters and halves. Now I wonder, can you tell me what the difference is between a quarter and a half? Let me see if I can hear you. What's the difference between a quarter and a half? So, a quarter is when we split something into 4 equal parts. And if we're doing half, we split it into 2 equal parts. Well done. Okay, because you know that, could you tell me which shapes on my board have been split into quarters correctly? Now remember, the parts have to be equal. So which shapes have been split into quarters correctly? I'll give you a little bit of time to have a little think. Okay, if you need any more time, just give the video a pause now. Let's see them. So number 1, the circle. Has it been split into quarters correctly? So it's got 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, but are they even? No. So that one is not split into quarters correctly. How about number 2, our triangle? That one's got 4 parts, so surely it's split correctly, right? But they're not even. Look, these two are a lot smaller than these two. So that one has not been split correctly. How about number 3? It's like a diamond shape. Has that one been split correctly? It's got 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are all equal, so that one can have a big, let's give it a tick here. How about number 4? Again, it's got 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're all equal, so that one also gets a big tick. Okay, are you ready for a challenge? I need you to draw a table like this. So just a nice simple table, and in one side I want you to write quarters, and on one side I want you to write half. Give you a bit of time to draw your table, off you go. So draw your table and split it into quarters and half. Okay, again, if you need some more time just to draw that, pause the video now. And are you ready for your challenge? So I've got some shapes and different parts of them have been shaded. Now I want you to tell me if I've shaded a quarter of the shape or if I've shaded a half of the shape. Okay, so let's try the first one. So number 1, I've shaded a part of this shape. Have I shaded a quarter of the shape or a half? And then you just write number 1 and put it where you think it would go. That's number 1. Number 2, have I shaded a quarter of the shape or have I shaded a half? So again, you can just write number 2 in whichever column you think it needs to go in. And number 3, have I shaded a quarter of the shape or have I shaded half of the shape? Okay. So number 1 is split into 2 parts, and I've shaded one side, so I've shaded one half. So number 1 would go over here. So you just write number 1. Number 2, where does this one go? So number 2 has been split into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Only one has been shaded, so that means I've shaded in 1 quarter. So number 2 would go here. So let's put that one there. And I can't get the magnets off apparently. Put number 2 there. Number 3. So this one's split into 4, so there's already a big clue there. And I've shaded 1 of my 4, so that one is a quarter. So let's put that one. Would it go here or here? Here, quarters, okay. 3 more for you, you ready? So number 4, quarters or a half? So have I shaded in 1/4 or have I shaded in 1/2? Okay, number 5. Have I shaded in 1/4 or 1/2? And number 6, have I shaded in 1/4 or 1/2? Okay, you ready? Let's see if you're right. So, let me just try and get some of these magnets off because they're just not working today. Right, number 4, 1/4 or 1/2? So it's split into 4 parts and I've shaded in 1, 2. So that means half of my shape is shaded, so that one would go over here. So number 4 would be 1/2. Number 5. Again, it's split into 4 parts and I've shaded in 4 parts. And how many have I shaded in this time? I've shaded in 2 of the parts this time. So I've shaded in half of them. So number 5 would go over here. And number 6. Which one does this go in? So in 4 parts, one of the parts is shaded. So I've shaded in 1/4, so it needs to go here in the quarters. Let's see if we can put that one in there. So that one is in the quarters. Fantastic. Give yourself a big tick if you got all of those right. And your challenge today, can you draw some of your own shapes? And then can you put them into quarters or halves? So you might want to draw a square and you might want to shade just 1/4. Then I'd put that one into the quarter side. So draw some of your own shapes. You can choose a shape to draw and then see if you can sort them into quarters and halves. And remember to send me some pictures and then I can mark your work and see your fantastic work and come back tomorrow for some more maths. See you later.